Transforming Learning with Technology Incorporation. Are you ready to revolutionize your learning experience? Hi, I am Rajni, Director of Technology Incorporation. We create dynamic online and on-site learning platforms. Our focus is on higher education and certification training in IT, project management, and business. So, how does our platform work? First, we analyze your learning needs. We want to understand your goals. This helps us tailor a solution just for you. We offer interactive courses. Our courses include videos, quizzes, and practical exercises. This keeps you engaged while learning. After that, we provide real-time feedback. This helps you identify areas for improvement. Then we empower collaboration. Our platform allows networking with peers and instructors. This builds a supportive learning community. Certifications and badges recognize your hard work. These accolades enhance your professional profile. Ready to transform your learning experience? I would love to invite you to explore some of our interactive, instructor-friendly courses and labs that institutions across the US and Canada have successfully adopted. A few of our most popular courses include Cisco Technologies Routing and Switching, CompTIA, A+, Network+, Security+, CySA+, Programming in Python, Java, C++, Microsoft Office 2021, Microsoft Windows. Artificial Intelligence and Data Analysis, Cyber Security and Digital Forensics PMI and Auxilo certifications, Amazon AWS and Microsoft Azure. If any courses catch your eye, I would be happy to provide complimentary instructor access for evaluation. Here are the takeaways: practical skills, gain hands-on experience in real-world cybersecurity and IT security scenarios. Self-paced learning, study on your schedule, at your own pace, without falling behind. On-site weekend support, get in-person help from experienced instructors every weekend. Local exam access, we facilitate your certification exam at a Prometric Center in Calgary. Affordable training, learn the same skills as expensive diploma programs at a fraction of the cost. Career-focused content, everything you learn is geared toward helping you land a job in IT field. Get trained, get certified, get hired. Call us at 587-581-5528 and speak to us for more details and questions.